So hello guys, Bantu here with a new video. So just before we start, firstly I want to apologize for not uploading daily like I did for the past 2 weeks. It's because I had some work to do, I had some thinking to do, because I have seen a really big downtrend on my videos by views and also the watch time. I think it's because I have not been delivering such a good content, giving you good information, and I have been just thinking for the past 2 days what to make better, what should I make better in this video, what should I show you, and what should I maybe do with the edits. So that's all I wanted to say. I hope you understand it, and I hope you enjoy the video. So hello guys, Bantu here with a new video. So today we are going to be looking at the market, what is happening, and let's get right into it. So the market cap hasn't moved, but we are going back up to the top. If we zoom in right here, the top was 5.582 billion, where right now we are at 5.514, so 17 million down. But from the dip we had, we are up and we are already looking strong again. This was the sell-off of the Stockholm holos and some of the play skins like the AKs and M4s, losing 25% in one day, but we are already going up and strong once again. The biggest gains right now are on the high-end skins, which are the most expensive, like the Butterfly Fade, Hot Rod M4, Sport Glove Hedge Mazes, and all of these high-tier skins that cost up to $1,000. And that's all for the market update, and let's get right into what I wanted to show you today. So today I wanted to speak about the Kilowatt case. The Kilowatt case is in the game for 1.5 years. It's the second newest case in the active drop pool, right after the new sealed Genesis terminal, but the Genesis terminal isn't something like a case. I would more compare it to the P250 X-Ray. It just isn't acting as a case, and it doesn't have the gold icon, the gold items, knives, gloves. Why are we speaking about the Kilowatt case? So the reason for it is that it is the only CS2 case in an active drop pool. The other CS2 cases we have is the gallery case, the fever case, and now the sealed terminal, but as I'm saying, I'm not counting the terminal as a case. And looking at the Kilowatt case and comparing its price to something like the Recoil case, to its cheapest case that is 2 years longer in the active drop pool than the Kilowatt case, we can see that the prices are going pretty similar. The one important area here is that we haven't seen 3-cent cases in like 5 years. The Kilowatt case is coming dangerously close to this area of 15-20 cent cases. Last time we have seen 20-cent cases was on the Recoil case. If you look some time back, here on this graph, we can see that the Recoil case was on third-party markets costing 9 cents, 10 cents, 13 cents. Right now we are sitting at, for the cheapest case in the whole game, at 31 cents. The Kilowatt case being 2 years newer and having not such a desirable reds as the Recoil case. Here it has the Kukri knives, that the most expensive of them is the Kukri knife Fade, and right on is the Kukri knife Slaughter. As we look at the Recoil case has the gloves, which the most expensive are the Nox. In factory new, they are costing $5,000 compared to factory new Kukri knife Fade that is only $450. Right now we are looking at a case that is more expensive but much shorter time in the game. And what is the reason behind this? As we can see, a lot of YouTubers are doing unboxing videos, and I haven't seen any YouTuber doing the Kilowatt case unboxing because there's nothing interesting in this case. They are either doing the ultra cases because you can get some good gem knives like the M9 Ruby or Emerald or something, but people still like to unbox gloves because you can get this factory new worth thousands of dollars. So they open the cheapest Recoil case of the chance getting like factory new snow leopards that are extremely expensive and extremely nice looking. It's now the right time to buy the Kilowatt case? I don't think so. because if we look again at the active drop pool, the oldest case here is the Dreams and Nightmares, then is the Recoil case, and then is the Kilowatt case. I just think we will see a nice price drop for this case, that you will maybe be able to buy this case for 15, maybe 20 cents. And already at that time, I think people will be buying up this case, because it's really cheap to buy this case for 20 cents, and maybe seeing happening something as the Recoil case, where the case was costing something like 10 cents. Right now it's costing 31 cents, so 3x, but when the case gets removed and your entry is 10 cents, you are making incredible money. So I myself will be waiting for this case to drop even more. If we get the bigger graph, this case was still worth around 50 cents, maybe 80 cents here, but here was some sell-off, and right now we are sitting at, I would say, 35 cents, which in the future we can still see a big drop going, maybe, as I have said, to the 20 or 15 cent category. And at that time I will be buying, because last time, as I remember, the Recoil case was its cheapest at 19 cents on the Steam market, and from that time we haven't seen it again on that price. And that's everything for this video. Stay safe in the market, don't invest into pumped items, please like, subscribe, give me some feedback in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!